Good almost afternoon, Algebros. Again, fifth period, Algebra 2. Here we are. Whoop, whoop. So we are solving radical equations. We want to isolate the radical that way it looks like this. So if we look at this example, 2 is being multiplied by all this right here. So what's the opposite of multiply? Divide. So we want to divide both sides by 2. This is what it means by isolating the radical. All right, now, what is understood to be in this gutter right here? Even if it's, 2. All right, so that's an understood 2. Now we need to raise both sides to the power of the radical. So I'm actually going to square both sides because it's a square root. To undo a square root, we square it. All right. And then all right. So now we have x, and let's take this back a little bit. So this now becomes x plus 1 equals 4. Okay? Now, because what it does, remember, when you square something or raise it to the power that's in that little gutter, it just rips the roof off, okay? It's like the tornado that came through in 2011. It just ripped that roof off, okay? So, all right, this one's really hard, so y'all better put on your helmet. I'm about to blow your mind. What do we do to solve this? And that's it. All right, now that's the first one. Okay, kind of like last Monday and Tuesday. Monday, you remember Monday? I thought it was okay. Then Tuesday, and we tried to have that check on learning, and then things went south. And Wednesday we had to do a reteach. And all right, so let's look at our next example. All right, number B right here. All right, so this is why I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I put a little tail on my radicals like this. That's because I used to smush stuff up underneath it that didn't need to be there. All right, all of this is having 1 subtracted from it. So how do we get this 1 to the other side? Add it. So I'm going to add 1. So now I'm going to have the cube root of 2x minus 9 equals 3. Okay? That way I know, that, because I would have messed up and tried to put that minus 1 up underneath the radical when I was in school. Well, I'm still in school. But when I was learning this the first time. All right. So now we've got it isolated. Now we've got to raise both sides to the power that's in the gutter. What is the power that's in the gutter? Okay. So, remember, this just rips the roof off. Now, 3 to the 3rd power. 3, raise the roof, 3, is 27. Okay, and then we add the 9. 2x equals 36, and then we do what? That's right. So x equals 18. Thank you. I try to make math cute. Unfortunately, I'm not as cute as the great nieces I was seeing yesterday. They're adorable. Especially the little red-headed one that was climbing over everything. She's funny. She's 2. All right. Now, yes, I know somebody's going to say, but this says 1 through 6 and it goes 1 through 3. Okay, the reason why. The original 1 through 6, 4, 5, and 6, I moved to the back because I needed to. The other problems that I'd have on here before goes over something we are not going to cover right now. Okay, we'll cover it when we come back after winter break. Okay, but not going to do it right now. So let's look at number 1. Is the radical isolated? Is it on one side by itself? Yes. There's nothing. Yep. Now, what is this understood number right here? 2. So we are going to square. We're going to square that. Whoops. I forgot to rip the roof off. All right. 5 squared. 25, which is so much funnier than 24. It's kind of like, what is Santa's favorite salty snack? Crisp Pringles. All right, then we divide. So x equals 9. Whoops. So, all right, let's look at number 2. Number 2. So, what is the power right here? So, 4, 5. Now, anyways, this becomes 6x plus 1. Now, 9 squared. Well, some people may not know that off the top of their head.
81.
Wow, that person did. So, huh? What do you mean it don't work? Really?
80 divided by 6 don't make it.
No.
It's not
Shh. Now, so, yes. So, there's 2 ways we can answer this. So 80 over 6. We can get x equals 40 over 3, or what? Or 13.3 repeating. Okay. No. Yep.
I did too. I'll play it.
All right. Number 3. Y'all make sure to pass that on to Mr. Jennings, that he made a good hire when he hired me. Okay. All right. So what are we going to? It's the radicals isolated. Okay. What are we going to raise this to?
3.
The third power. All right. So 4 to the.
So he definitely got that on video.
All right, so this is 64. All right, this one's the hardest one that we've had. How do we solve this?
Hey, get with you.
Is that it?
All right, let's see. I don't know. Is that
Yeah.
okay? Oh, yeah. Now it's your turn. Okay. So, for those around the world, don't forget, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.